Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
They're set up now. Jay McCoy with it at the back, and now Sinkinson has it. They drive on. This is moving fast, this ball. It is over. First try there. TBC. Imagine it'll be the Kaimai Crusader. It is. And they go to Sinkinson at the back again. They're moving quickly again. And another try for Sinkinson. That's a double.
To be exactly te whānau, we have the BY Premier finals taking place in Tauranga morning as well.
Straight through, sorry there,
Straight through, aroa mai. We have Heretaunga dotting down for their first try.
He does now, verse there. Looking for Roy, the brick with eyes. He's got it now.
Oh,
just a pop pass now though. And he's away the 11, they won't catch him. Lameko, intercept try. As they go to the back. Tough throw, but good take there, and they've scrambled well. Driver Earl now, good feet. Gives it to the brick with eyes, who sets up well. Tiara Sinton to Leo Kini, brother of. Good strong run there. Sets up now, bit of patience here. Got Kupita there. Good short ball.
Playing under advantage once again.
They have it now. Koro Spratley, strong carry. Puts it down and you can go again. Hastings will have to get out of here. They're going to be penalised. Good dig in there by Tiari Sinton, and he's over. TBC. He's lifting there, but screws as well, so untidy, but Koro Spratley has it. Driver Earl now. Long pass. Out to Kele Lasanga. He's got a bit of space here. Good footwork. Hard to put down. Very close. Tiari Sinton has it now. Zinyawera. What a line. TBC.
Good run there from Jackson. His driver shifts it to the left edge to Lasanga. Lasanga to, who do we have there? I think that's McCoy out on the left edge. Oh no, he's over here. Aroa mai.
Sinkinson, I think. Numbers now.
Zinyawera
looking for a double.
Oh, beautiful.
TBC. The ref's got the penalty advantage to Hastings. Captain now. Lilo Asifo can carry. It's broken down here. Now the 11's got it. Pick and go. He's got it the way to the 6. He's got the pace.
Beautiful try there. Another scrum here from Hastings and Tauranga boys. Tauranga boys to feed. Oh, strong scrum indeed.
Driver Earl distributing to Lasanga. It's opened up here. He's gone wide. Henderson now with the speed. Chips past. Needs to stay in. It does. And he gets it. What a try. TBC. And it comes. Leach has it. Manase. Strong carry once again. We need to get off that TPC player. To Vui, who's been a strong carry all day as well. And it's hard to put down. And he's over. Fantastic game to call.
Yeah, fantastic game. Indeed, Charles.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this.